today's session we'll discuss about Python modules. So what is a module? A file containing a set of functions you want include in your application. To create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py. That's all you need. Write your own code in a file and save it as a .py. Example, we'll see my module. This is the name of the file, my module.py. We'll see the sample code. We'll define one function, define greeting, we'll print welcome, welcome to. So this is like one file. In one file we have written the statements. So this we can save it as my module.py. We can use the above module by using the import. There is a statement called import statement. Import the module named my module and call the which one? We can call this function. We can call the greeting function. So how we can call import? This is a statement module name. Suppose in our case module name is this one. Import my module code, whatever we have defined our module name, my module, then we will have to call my module. Inside my module, what is the function? This is the function we need to trigger a call. Dot greeting, let us say Ravi Kumar. Define our own module and we can call our own module based on our requirement. This is sample, so we'll test it now. This we will put it in one file. This is what is the name of the file? My module.py saved. Then what is the other thing? Module code. This is the one. So this one will keep it as file save as call my module 4.py. Save to execute. So by analyzing these two programs, this is a my module. Inside my module, one function we have defined, that is a greeting. What it will do, it will print welcome to whatever the name it will come from another file. Here we are passing Ravi Kumar is a name which will go to greeting function. So final outcome is welcome to name Ravi Kumar, this name. So we will test it. We'll call this function. Inside the function we are importing my module. What is the my module complete name? My module 4. So we need to put my module 4. So we are importing the my module. Inside my module we are using greeting function. In another file we are passing the value Ravi Kumar, the greeting function. This greeting function is available in my module 4. So that's how we can create our own modules and we can use based on our requirement. File save, call my module 4 now. It's clear. Python call my module 4. Yes, now we'll execute. Yeah, see, welcome to Ravi Kumar. I'll write a note when using a function from a module, use the below syntax. What is the syntax? Module name dot function name. So this is the instruction we need to follow. Now variables in module. The module can contain functions but also variables of all types. That means what? Arrays, dictionaries, and then objects. Anything. Let us see one example. My module. Okay. My module 5. This is the module name. What is the code? My module 5.py. Because we are giving this is just in comment. So we'll define some statements here. Code statement. Person 1 defining one dictionary. Name Ravi. Age 45. Then country UK. This is one dictionary. So this code will keep it in my module 5. This is just one person information, name, age, country. This one will save it as a my module 5 dot py. Save it. Yeah, it is saved. We'll try to import this module and we'll try to get some information. Import the above module 5, and access the person 1 age. So what is the statement? Import my module. What is the module name? 5. Let us say person age. This is a variable. My module 5 dot person 1 age. This is the only one I need. Then print person age. So we'll test this. We'll copy this code and we'll put it in separate file. We'll save it. Save as call my module 5.py. Save it my module 5. So we'll check this one correct or not. Yeah, correct. Execute. So this one has to extract only age parameter. Yeah, it is extracted 45 age. So we have understood how to extract only required information from the our own module. Now, so we can also renaming a module. We can also do this one. We can create an alias when we import a module by using the as. This is a keyword as keyword. Example, import my module as module 1. Instead of using this name, we can use module 1. Okay, now we'll discuss about built-in modules. So far we have discussed our own defined modules. Now Python is having so many inbuilt modules which you can import whenever you need. One module name, it's an inbuilt module that is a named with platform. This is a module name. So how to import it? Import name of the module platform. We'll see one platform like system. Platform basically talks about OS, which OS, like Windows OS, Linux, or like that. So this will test it. This is the inbuilt module. From inbuilt module, we are extracting the system information. File save as module inbuilt.py. We'll execute this. So this particular code, it has to extract the operating system detail. In our case, we are using Windows. It has to extract Windows. We'll print the value also because we haven't given print statement. Yeah, it is printed Windows. And we'll see using the inbuilt function that is called directory function. So there is a built-in function to list all the function names in a module. So we'll see for the same above inbuilt module, that is import platform x is equal to directory of platform. So in this module, it will print all the function names. Print x. This code will test it. Module inbuilt functions dir.py. We are saving and will execute. And this is the one. See, it has printed all inbuilt functions related to platform. Whatever platform module is having inbuilt functions inside that, it will print. So these are all inbuilt. Okay, so likewise you can use. So these are the benefits. We have seen how to extract only required information from our own modules and inbuilt modules. We'll discuss about math module. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Okay, so math module, what it do, it allows perform mathematical tasks on numbers. So what are the built-in math function? We'll see now. The min and max function can be used to find lowest and highest value in an iteration or iterable. For example, let us take x equal to min of 5, 10, 25, y equal to max of 100,099. Example, print of x, print of y. So if you take this minimum function, out of these three values, it has to find out the what is the minimum value. In this case, 5 needs to be printed. And another one function, max function, it takes here in this particular function call, three values are there, 100,099. What is the maximum value? 1000. 1000 needs to be printed. We'll test it this one. These are the maths inbuilt function for minimum and maximum. Program objective, check max and min values by using inbuilt functions. File save as UI all types save. Now execute. See 5 first one minimum value, maximum value out of these 3000. So how easy it is. We need not to write a code. You can write your own logic, but the functions are there. And one more inbuilt function, ABS. So what it will do? It will print the absolute value. For example, equal to ABS of 100 minus 100.25. So what it will do? It will print absolute value. Print X. Test it. Yeah, it has printed 100.25 for this minus 100.25. One more we'll see. Power function. Power function. Suppose if you want to check x power y, x, take some value of x and take some value of y. You wanted to see the power of x power y. So how to do that? So the power function returns value of x to the power of y. Take one example. X is equal to power of 4 comma 3. Print x hash 4 comma 3 means 4 star 4 star 4. That means 16 4 ja. So answer should come 64. We'll test it. Ah, 64 has come. Some more functions if you take square t, sqrt module, for example, x. So for that, we need to use here I'll write Python has also built-in module called math, which extends list of functions. So we'll write some code to find out the square root of some value. How to do? Import math. This is a module. Then followed by take x variable math dot square t square root of 100 will give. So in this case, what is the result? Square root of 100 is 10. Print x dot py. Print x unexpected intent. So indentation you should be careful. Yeah, now the value got printed 10. So that's all for today's discussion about modules.